Sundowns get cheat code for it.
They should see the love that we have.
Is the Chiefs, the best team in South Africa.
Yeah. Emotions. This league is gonna show us films.
Everybody back again. Dimza Sport Entertainment. We're back. Today we're at Pretoria East, Mamelodi, analyzing the game of Soweto Derby, Orlando Pirates 3, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Yeah, Soweto Derby, the biggest game in South African football. Yeah, what a game. Orlando Pirates are now at the top of the Betway Premiership. Yeah, Hamano
Bishop Oma 2000.
Yeah, Bishop Oma 2000.
I'm right when I'm
Mina Prayam, Benjani game.
The game, it was like wow.
Yeah.
It was wow.
Yeah.
Because I change as if she's really move a pair. Yeah, so Kaluba Shang or Umlezo one pella. Now put it all.
Yeah.
My brother. Yeah. So the biggest hotel make a Zanda. Yeah. Salos Tima Samboka Mato.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So I'm begging man, Coach Orlando Pirates. Ianze kupiga because ya wana namhlanje amaplayer wa hungry, amaplayer wa fighter for the game good bakona win.
Oh, coach Orlando Pirates usebenze kakhulu.
Yeah.
Enokuhlakanipha. Because ukwazile ukuthi ababeke kule simo lesi abakuso manje.
Sure.
Akunawo amagama amaningi.
Yeah.
Bengithanda ukubatshela ukuthi ucoach akaqinisa isandla.
Yeah.
Bofo abacedelele. Abulele abantu.
Brian, uyabona ukuthi uhlele kanjani lapha ku number 1 uthini ngeleague ethatha?
Yes. I mean angidoubt. Angidoubt yes. Ipanic ifuna ukungatheka mara angivume.
Okay.
Yes.
Man of the match namhlanje?
Man of the match asame no Sipilibili.
Hey, Sipilibili.
Asame no
Kasongo.
Yeah, Kasongo. Shout out to Sipilibili.
Yeah.
Danko.
Message to Kaizer Chiefs fans.
Ukuza ningeza inkinga ukubuyela emuva
kuphela. Danko. Subscribe, like, comment and share. Dimza Sport Entertainment. Danko.